This is the coolest fridge. It has a beverage center, as you can see here. You get your veggies, get your Popsy. Actually, I don't like blueberries. It has a water dispenser, and it has this water carafe that fills itself whenever it senses that it's not full, which is really cool. And then it has this door, but look at the magic. Where did the beverage center go? And it gets even better. Look at the freezer. So it's a 2-door freezer system, so organized. But even better than that is that it has, look at this ice. Large ice cubes. And then these ice cube bits. I just think this is the coolest fridge.